So what would happen if the electric and magnetic fields were both turned on at the same time? A, if the electric force were stronger, the particles would deflect up. If the magnetic force were stronger, the particles would go down. If the forces were equal, the particles would go straight. Or D, all of the above. Okay, so let's first draw what's happening here. The electric force, if you have negative charges, is going to push the charges this way. So that's your electric force. The magnetic force, when you use the right-hand rule, will show you that for negative charges, the magnetic force will push them down. So let's look at the questions here. So if the electric force is stronger, well, the particles are going to go up. You'll have a net upward force. If the magnetic force were stronger, you have a net downward force. The cathode rays, the particles, would go down. If the forces were equal, there'd be no net force in the y direction and the particles would go straight. So hence the answer would be D, all of the above.